Alright guys, we're going to be changing the blade on a grinder. So first thing you should know is get familiar with your grinder. You want to find out where it'll lock. So on mine, I have to push this button and it'll lock. So I want to hold that down, hold that button down. Take this tool, grinder, wrench. Careful not to skin up your hands. Do a turn. Chuck comes off. Put your new grinder blade back on. We're going to tighten it. Give it a good tighten. That's it, we're done. If you like these little videos, like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Take care.